Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is graphing ellipses. Uh, Graphing ellipses, let me give you the standard form of the ellipses. Standard form of the ellipses is x minus h whole squared over a squared plus y minus k whole squared over b squared equals 1. So how to differentiate between ellipse and a circle? Circle is r squared and there is nothing divided by. Both x and y are not divided by anything. And how to identify the horizontal and the vertical ellipse. If a larger number is under x, that's the horizontal ellipse. If a larger number is under b, then that is vertical ellipse. Okay, and h and k stays the same with x. H stays with x and y with k. hk is the center. Okay, so let's learn how to graph ellipse. Few steps to remember. Write the equation in standard form so that you can identify the center, the vertices. Vertices we get help by using the denominator, the larger denominator, because vertices are on the major axis, and first we need to know whether it's horizontal or the vertical ellipse. So the larger number tells you to find the vertex. Co-vertices tells you B, and how to find C, the foci, by subtracting the squares of A and B. Okay, so let's start doing it here. We know it's in horizontal because a larger number is under X. It's a horizontal ellipse. Now we know the vertices would be 8 units because A square is 64. So A would be 8. B squared is 25, so B would be 5. So let me write A equals 6 and A equals 8 and B equals 5. 5, sorry. And to find out C, we use this C squared equals A squared minus B squared, which is 64 minus 25 gives me C squared equals 39. So C would be square root of 39, approximately equal to 6.24. This is what C is. Okay, so now it's a horizontal ellipse. Center is 0, 0. Center is here. Horizontal ellipse, so the vertices will be on the major axis. And the major axis, as we know for the major axis, the vertices are plus minus a units away from the center. So from the center, what is a? 8. From the center, 8 units away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units away. Here. These are the vertices. Here. Plus 8, minus 8 on the other side. These are the vertices. And the co-vertices of the minor axis is this 5. So 1, 2, 3 from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Foci is on the major axis, so on the longer symmetry axis of symmetry, which is 6.24 from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.24 would be somewhere here. 6.24 would be close to 6. Okay. So now this is how we are going to. Okay, so this would be. We are going to connect the vertices with the co-vertices. We are not going to connect the foci. This is an ellipse, a horizontal ellipse. So let's write the center, which is 0, 0. Vertices, these are the vertices on the major axis, okay? And let me major axis. This was 8 units away. So this would be, this is negative 8, 0, and this is positive 8, 0. Co-vertices, 5 units up and 5 units down on the y-axis. This is on the minor axis, always. So 0 and negative 5 and 0 and positive 5. foci 6.24 units away. So this is foci and this is foci. So negative 6.24 and 0. The other one is 6.24 and 0. We good? Let's do one more. The question number 3. Or let's do question number 2. Yeah, let's do question number 2 because it has a HK different. Okay, so here the center is 5 and negative 2. Let me write the center here. Always compare it to this. Okay, now is this a horizontal or vertical ellipse? It's a vertical ellipse because a larger number is under y. A is, because larger number is under y, that's what A is. So A is 6 and B is 3. This one is B. Okay, and let's find C using C squared equals A squared minus B squared, which is 36 minus 9, which is 27. And C would be 3 square root 3, which is equal to approximately 5.2. Okay, so let's start 5 and negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 2. This is our center. Now we have to start working from here. So it's a vertical ellipse. Major axis is 6 units up and 6 units down. Okay, vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units down here. Minor axis, co-vertices from the center, 3 units left and 3 units right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, foci are on the major axis, 5.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and point 2 is closer to 5. This one will also point. Now let's join them. It's an elongated ellipse. Then I will tell you how to identify is it going to be elongated or what. I'll tell you next. So vertices are, these are the vertices, sorry. So what are the coordinates of the vertices? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, vertices are 5 and 4. And the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. The other way we can do is, this is 5 and negative 2, right? So from negative 2, you add 6, becomes 8. 4. And from negative 2, you add 6, it becomes down. You subtract 6, you go down. Co-vertices is 1, 2, and this one is negative 2. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and negative 2. Foci. Okay, foci. This we know this distance is 5.2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 and 1, 2, 3, 3.2. And the other one is 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.2. 5 and negative 7.2. I hope you understand how to graph. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.